Nevada Canyon Gold Corp is a newly structured emerging natural resource company with a unique threefold business model. The company's principal activities are primarily focused within the state of Nevada, rated as one of the best places to explore and mine in the world. Now, before you click off the video because you already have a mining stock in your portfolio, this one's a little bit different. Not only is this stock at 333, which is a good number, but besides the fact, over the past 5 years, the stock is up 712%. The past year is up 202%, and year to date, meaning the start of 2024, is up 41.7%. Lottery stocks, we already missed the train. Why would we buy in now? Well, actually the opposite. If you take a look at the 6-month chart, it's down 17%. It's getting a little bit of a dip buy opportunity. Now you can see previously the growth and profitability, their net income has been gradually increasing since 2021. Well, actually since 2020, being at a decrease, then increasing majorly in 2021, 2022, 2023, and may continue to grow at a much faster rate. It also has a very small market cap, so this stock can move very fast and be very volatile. So the fact that it's being put on your radar, thank me in the comments. Now, yes, a couple other things could look better, like their net income being down 100%, as well as their operating income. However, other numbers are looking well, and this doesn't matter because there is a factor outweighing this. What is it? Royalties and streaming portfolio. This company has a royalty trust portfolio. If you don't know, royalties basically means guaranteed, almost guaranteed payments to the company for doing absolutely nothing. Now, in the beginning of the video, we covered what the company was, and they talk about their threefold business model. What is this? What does it mean? Is it good for the company? Well, let's take a look. Our principal activities are the acquisition and divestitures of royalty interests, the management of precious metal streams with an exploration project accelerator component. Nevada Canyon is focused on acquiring royalties and streams on smaller producing, pre-production, or pre-resource properties, creating a royalty package by aggregating them under one roof, then selling the packages. This creates a much higher valuation as a package rather than individual smaller royalties, creating a much higher potential profit margin in the process. So streams and royalties can be acquired outright from either a resource company or a private party. Precious metal streams are obtained by providing financing to operators, allowing them to monetize a portion or all of their precious metal production. New royalties are created by providing capital to an operator or explorer in exchange for a royalty. In either case, the capital provided by Nevada Canyon is typically used for the development and construction of a mine expansion, or funding exploration work. Finally, the exploration project accelerator component finds undervalued or distressed assets, providing initial investment capital for geological and engineering work, then selling the assets to other mining companies for premium returns without large capital expenditures. So this company is doing something insanely different than just mining. They have a different plan, gaining royalties, creating packages, then repackaging them and selling them to other companies, creating a much higher profit margin in the process, potentially, right? The potential upside profit margins are much higher in pre-production royalties and streams than that of the producing ones. Nevada Canyon avoids the high cost of putting mines into production while letting someone else do the heavy lifting and expenditures. This creates short-term upside value in these assets while retaining a long-term royalty at a very low cost basis. Nevada Canyon believes it can create substantial upside value to its capital investments with this low overhead approach and unique business model. So this is a safer approach, a more profitable approach, and a scalable approach without ruining a company or having the potential to ruin a company. So essentially, they're thinking smarter, not harder. This is ticker symbol NGLD, trading at $3.33 as we speak. And before I touch on the charts, take a look at all of the technicals over on TradingView on the 1 month, giving it a strong buy, the 1 week time frame giving it a buy, the 1 day time frame giving it a buy, the 4 hour giving it a buy as well as the 2 hour, the 1 hour, the 30-minute, the 15, and the 5 and 1 are neutral. This is extremely bullish. Now, if we take a look at the company as a whole, volume has recently started to pick up around September of 2023, coming from 50 cents a share all the way up to about $6, coming back down, and now it is flagging out. If we look at the fib levels, you can see this was easy resistance back here. We broke above, got smacked back down to test, wick down right at 236, broke above the 318, steady climb, ran out of steam, came back down and held the 0.5, broke above the 618, and now it is currently holding the 786 on the fib, testing for a breakout. From where it's trading at right now, the next level on the fib is at $4, which is up 20%. The next level after that is at $6.35, up about 90%. And then the next level after that is around $10.25, which is up 207%. Next time this company releases earnings, if it is looking like it has previously looked, and if their strategy is working, this company is actually a really solid one to put on your radar. Now, I know I've been putting a lot of sponsored videos out, and I don't do them unless I like what the company is doing or they are doing well. And I'm not even mad about it because I still cover everything that I need to cover on the daily, for one, and for two, plenty of you guys have been dropping comments down below saying how much money you've made off of these sponsored stocks. So if you don't like penny stocks, that's fine. You don't like making money. It is what it is. It's completely up to you. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments down below. And as always, thank you Sideways Frequency for sponsoring today's video. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.